Mustangs, are you ready? Mustangs, ready, exercise. M-U-S-T-A-N-G-S. Mustangs, Mustangs, Mustangs. Woo. All right. Welcome back. I'm Coach Parsons. This is week 2. We're going to continue to do our Mustang Spell Out every day, our push-ups every day. We're going to show you curl-ups and jump squats and what that looks like. Our curl-ups is part of our fitness gram, and so we are going to work on it today. We're going to do our age times 2, or double our age. So if you're 8 years old, you would do 16 curl-ups. If you're 10 years old, you do 20 curl-ups. So we're going to do it together. We're going to be on our back. Feet flat on the ground, knees are bent, arms are along the side. My hand must stay on the floor. So we're going to slide our hands towards our heels. We're going to count together. Here we go. Up, 1 sir. My eyes are looking at a point on the ceiling. My chin does not tuck to my chest. Up, 2 sir. Up, 3 sir. Up, 4 sir. Up, 5 sir. Feel it right here. Up, 6 sir. Up, 7 sir. Up, 8 sir. Up, 9 sir. Up, 10 sir. Up, 11 sir. Up, 12 sir. Up, 13 sir. Up, 14 sir. Up, 15 sir. Up, 16 sir. Breathe. Up, 17 sir. Up, 18 sir. Up, 19 sir. Up, 20 sir. Up, 21 sir. Up, 22 sir. All right, we are done with our curl-ups. We're working on our abdominals. For that, make sure you breathe and don't put tension in your neck. You gotta breathe and make sure you don't feel it here, you feel it right here. The next one we're gonna do is jump squats. Our feet are gonna be about shoulder width. We're gonna bend down and we're gonna touch the floor. Our hands are outside our feet. We're gonna jump up, leave the ground, and we're gonna clap our hands up over our head. So it looks like this. Flat back, big chest. Make sure you're leaving the ground. We're gonna do the same amount as your age. How old are you? That's how many we're gonna do. All right, here we go. Jump squats. Up, 1 sir. Up, 2 sir. Up, 3 sir. Up, 4 sir. Up, 5 sir. Up, 6 sir. Up, 7 sir. Up, 8 sir. Up, 9 sir. Up, 10 sir. Up, 11 sir. All right, and that is it. So we have our Mustang Spell Out, our push-ups, our curl-ups. We're gonna work our abdominals. We have our jump squats, we work out our legs, and then try to go for a 30-minute either walk, run, bike ride, or swim. Try to get outside every day for 30 minutes and do something active. Coach Maggie and I, we love you. We can't wait until we see you again. Have a great week. Peace.